In this video, we listed the 5 best resin 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Phrozen Sonic Resin 3D Printer. The Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K is a powerful resin 3D printer designed to print bigger and more detailed models with its 8K resolution and 28mm resolution. It features a 10-inch LCD screen, dual linear rails, and a mono LCD for enhanced durability. Despite its powerful specs, it has a compact footprint, making it suitable for various printing spaces. The printer also boasts a consistent success rate with features such as solid dual linear rails, a thick T-plate, and a frosted laser cut building plate. Additionally, users can control the printer remotely through the Phrozen Geo app, which is specifically designed for Phrozen 3D printer users. Number 2. ELEGOO Resin 3D Printer. The ELEGOO MAGE 3 is a high-precision desktop MSLA 3D printer designed with advanced features for superior 3D printing. It boasts a 6.66 inches mono LCD with Ultra 4K HD resolution, providing a 30% higher XY resolution at 35 micrometers and 37% higher build volume than its predecessor. The printer features an upgraded light source with 36 highly integrated LED lights and a new COB lens for over 90% uniformity of UV light illumination. Additionally, the optimized heat sink unit with copper tubes and high-quality cooling fan improves heat dissipation and extends the longevity of the UV LED lights. With a 1-year trial of ChichiBox Pro Slicer, users can benefit from automatic supports, model repair tools, and compatibility with LightG Slicer, making it suitable for both professional 3D printing labs and novices. Number 3. ELEGOO MAGE 5 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Satin 4 Ultra is a metal 3D printer in MAGE 5 Ultra color, with product dimensions of 13.78 inch dx 14.96, wx 22.04 h and an item weight of 8.8 kilograms. It features innovative inclined release technology, a 7-inch monochrome LCD screen with ultra-high resolution, AI smart camera for monitoring printing process, hands-free operation with auto-leveling, and an intelligent mechanical sensor for detecting residue and issuing alarms for smooth printing. These advanced features ensure efficient and high-resolution 3D printing with realistic details and texture clarity, making it a convenient and reliable option for 3D printing enthusiasts. Number 4. Creality HALOT MAGE Pro. The Creality HALOT MAGE Pro Resin 3D printer is a high-speed, high-precision printer made of metal and comes in an eye-catching orange color. With dimensions of 10.63 inch dx 13.11, wx 23.94 h and a weight of 15.8 kilograms, it offers a spacious build size of 228 by 128 by 230 millimeters. The printer boasts a max printing speed of 170 mm per hour, equivalent to a 12K model, and features an improved integral light source for uniform light exposure, resulting in high-quality 3D printing models. Additionally, it includes a smart resin pump for automatic resin filling and pumping, as well as an activated carbon filter for an odor-free printing environment and better heat dissipation. Number 5. ELEGOO MAGE 5 MSLA. The ELEGOO MAGE 5 is a metal 3D printer in the color MAGE 5, with product dimensions of 20.98 inch dx 11.73, wx 13.3 h. It is compatible with personal computers and is equipped with intelligent features such as a mechanical sensor for detecting printing abnormalities and automatic leveling. The printer also features a 6.6 inch mono 4K LCD screen for high-resolution printing, COB light source and heat dissipation system for efficient printing, and user-friendly design upgrades for enhanced usability.